In this video, we will learn about characteristics of sound. You hear different types of sound but are easily able to identify them. You can easily differentiate between a male voice and a female voice. Again, you can distinguish between a note produced by a sitar and that produced by a flute or a drum. The characteristics of sound enable us to distinguish between various sounds, and two important characteristics of sound waves are: first is loudness and second is pitch. Let's analyze these two characteristics. Now let's understand about loudness. The loudness of a sound refers to how strong or intense the sound feels to the ear. It describes the degree of sensation or perception of sound's volume. You can distinguish a loud sound from a soft sound on the basis of its loudness, and loudness depends on the amplitude of vibration. Thus, you can also say that the loudness of a sound is its characteristic due to which we are able to distinguish between a loud sound and a weak or soft sound. Loudness mainly depends on amplitude of vibration. Greater the amplitude, louder is the sound. When you whisper, you use very less energy and the amplitude of vibration of your vocal cord is small. But when you shout, you use more energy and amplitude of vibration of your vocal cord is large, thus a loud sound is produced. Now let's understand what this amplitude is. So amplitude is the maximum displacement of a particle from its mean position. So if this is the maximum displacement of a particle from the mean position, this is called as the amplitude. Similarly, for this wave, this is going to be the amplitude. So we can see that in A case the sound is soft because the amplitude is small, but in B case the sound is loud because the amplitude is large. Hence we can say that loudness of the sound depends on its amplitude. Next, loudness depends on the area of vibrating body. Larger the area of vibrating body, louder is the sound. For example, a large drum produces a louder sound as compared to a small drum. The reason behind this is that the area of vibrating body in the case of large drum is more as compared to that of small drum. Next factor is loudness depends on the distance between the source of the sound and the listener. As the listener moves away from the source of sound, the sound heard by him becomes fainter and fainter. So if we are closer to the source of sound, we will be able to hear a louder sound. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.